bio for those of you who are new. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a wig that was sent to me from Divatress.com. I am super excited for this unit. It is a curly unit. I'm pretty sure you guys already know that. I don't know why I come on screen and then I describe what it is when you've already seen it from my thumbnail and from the intro. I already know you know what color you're getting. What style you're getting anyway. If you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into this review. Alright guys, so this is the unit right here. I've seen this unit around, but I was like, I can't wait to try it when I can actually get my hands on it. So this is it's a wig, a Vixen, 100% human hair wig. This is in the style Vixen X Neo French Wave. So as you can see, it is very wavy. Hopefully, you know, you can see that. I know it's like a glare going on, but so with this unit is what I can see, it's able to be styled very differently. You can part it basically like starting from the beginning of your head all the way back and even all the way across. You can already tell from the packaging you get a lot of versatility with this unit. On the packaging they show how she has it styled with like from the front to the back and then off to the side. It can be pulled back into a ponytail, it can be braided back. This is like the back of the packaging. She has it pulled back in a ponytail, pulled up in a high ponytail, low ponytail, and even braided back in like 2 French braids. So we got a lot that we can do with this unit. I'm not going to do all those different styles. If you guys are interested in seeing me do different styles on the unit, let me know by commenting below and I will do that for you in a separate video. The color that I got is the number 2, so that is more so close to brown more than black, but it also comes in black if you are interested in it. They have a lot of colors: red, blonde, black mixed with other colors. You know, you got options with this unit. Like, it's a wig came through with all the options when it comes to style and color. You got a lot that you can do with this. Let's go ahead and get this baby popped open and see what she's about. And this is like bomb packaging, by the way. Like, this box is nice and sturdy. It opens up like this is. I like this packaging in this box. So this is what the unit looks like coming out of the packaging, guys. So it's already basically separated for you. They have it in its 4 different sections. It's a wig. Why did you do that? I'm not saying why. I'm like, gosh, like you prepared me in like all ways possible. I'm so happy for that. We have 1 in a ponytail right here, ponytail here, and then 2 in the back. So let me show you guys what the parting looks like right now. Very natural looking. Like, I can see that parting so well without even adding any powder to it. Not to mention that this hair feels like such a great texture. It doesn't feel like it's fake hair. It doesn't feel like it's like hard. It just feels very soft. It feels nourished. It's a good texture. I don't know how to describe it, but it's not irritating. I like how this feels. Alright, so I am going to get her placed on so we can cut off the lace. Now, at the front of it, they got you prepared, okay? They have 4 combs in the front. And the 2 sections that are divided, so this is like the construction in the inside. They have 2 combs on both sides, and then you have 2 combs in the back as well. So you're going to be secured with your unit, okay? Now, the only thing I think that you would not be able to do with this unit is wear like side part. The only thing you could do is a middle part, which is fine. I mean, you can either pull it back all the way back or wear a middle part, but I mean, you just have to think about all the other options that they provide you with this unit. And also, it is affordable, okay? So I cut off the lace in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the front. Now, the inside does have adjustable straps. I'm gonna go ahead and make those adjustable straps just a little bit tighter. The only reason I'm doing so is because I like for my units to be as secure as possible, okay? And I feel like if I was to move this one, this is gonna feel even more secure, and that's what I'm gonna do it. I am using the combs. This unit does come with baby hairs already put on the front, so that is something that if you are interested in, you can lie those down. So this is what the part looks like. As you can see, it's going all the way back. That's what the part looks like up close with no powder or anything added to it. I'm trying to think of how I want to wear unit. I'm not quite sure yet. Y'all, they like made you prepared with this unit, okay? This unit can even be straightened. Like, if you see old girl right here, hopefully you can see that. Her hair is straightened. You can straighten this unit, which, I mean, I don't know if I would want to, just because I like the pattern that it has. So I wonder, like, if I was to straighten it and I wash it, will I get this same texture back, is my question. What I'm gonna do is, I think I'm just going to wear it like half up, half down. I think that's how I want to wear this today. So I'm gonna have to glue that down. As you guys see, it is nice and big and full, and I'm living for it. Let me show you what the length looks like in the back. Looks like in the back, nice and big and full. This will probably even be cute with it, like if you sprayed it with your water gun, and just made it a little like wet wavy. All right, y'all, so this has been down for a good amount of time right about now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, and hopefully, you know, she's stuck. Let's hope. All right, looks pretty stuck to me. I'm gonna use my Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the one that's in, I believe, strawberry. No, not strawberry. Melon. Sugar melon scent. These are some legit edge controls, okay? And it smells amazing. It smells so good. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this Vixen unit. I am in love with this unit. It's so nice. I mean, it's so easy to work with. I literally just put it up in its half up, half down do with like no hard was about it. So I didn't have any struggle. The baby hairs are very easy to work with as well. I just laid them down a little bit. Y'all know I'm not a pro or anything like that when it comes to baby hairs. I let the edges look as natural as I can get them, but this unit though is lit. If you guys like this unit, make sure you shop from Divatress.com to get the unit. I'll put the link below so you guys will be able to go directly to it. I did get this in the color 2, so it's like a little off black, like I'm close to brown more than black, but in this lighting right now I'm pretty sure it looks pretty black, but it is actually like a little brown tint. Like I said, if you guys are interested in me doing other styles with it, because like I said, it does have whole bunch of other styles that you can do with it, let me know by liking the video and commenting below. If I get up to 10 comments telling me that you would like to see this wig being styled, then I will do so. Also, a fun fact, I was just reading it while my hair was lying down, is that it can be washed. It is human hair, so of course it can be washed, but that makes me more interested in doing like one of the looks with it straightened, because now that I know I can like wash it and hopefully it'll, you know, come back to its natural state. I was finger combing through it. I did not use a comb because I didn't feel like that was not actually necessary. It didn't shed at all. It hasn't been shedding as much as I've been playing with it. That's a plus. Also, the only thing that like you would have like any type of struggle with is the edges, because you saw when I put it on, it didn't just exactly lie down. You would need something to tame it down if you want it to, you know, stay down on your head. It is big head friendly. The cap size is, I believe, average. Bigger head. I use the adjustable straps and it could be a little bit tighter, honestly, in my opinion. I can make it tighter, but I mean, this is gonna work for me. I am gonna wear this out today just like this. I can't wait to like braid it back and wear it out some more. So I feel like I'm going to get a lot of wears out of this. I also think this unit's probably about, it doesn't have a length, but I'm pretty sure this is about a good 20 inches maybe. Guys, I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.